So hey guys, I came with another job opportunity from the Genpact and Weloin. So is hiring for the trainee software engineer. So this is one of the important job opportunity, and you can go through the job description. So they have clearly mentioned trainee software engineer, and these are the job description. The training period will be 6 months, and education qualification is undergraduate and postgraduate is preferable. So experience level freshers are eligible for this, and during training period you will get 10,000 per month. So post training you might get PPO. So after completion of training, candidate will be evaluated based on their acquired skill and performance during training period. Final salary CTC post training period will be determined from the evaluation. Okay, so you have to complete the mandatory training of this, and that is 6 months, and post that your salary will be decided. For this employment, there is a employment agreement of 2 year is mandatory. So if you are comfortable with all these things, then you can apply for this. Talking about the skills required, so quick learner adaptability, and if you have strong fundamental knowledge in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and knowledge of PHP or Node.js, then you can apply for this, and you can go to other detail. Okay, eligibility, that is bachelor degree is preferable, and other things, time management, and these are skill. Okay, so go and fill this form. So for applying this position, just give your first name, last name, then email, phone number, and click on next. After that, you might have to submit your resume and other important detail. Next important hiring from a big MNC, that is the Genpact. So Genpact is hiring for customer service voice role, Gurgaon. So you can fill this form. This is a full-time role. So go and apply this. You have to give full name, registered mail, and all things. Are you comfortable? So this is the job opportunity specific to Gurgaon location. So if you are comfortable with customer service voice process, then you can fill this. And if you have any experience or fresher, then accordingly you have to choose this CTC grid. Okay, so if you are fresher, then you have to click on fresher, and accordingly you have to choose this. And what is your qualification? So BCom, BTech, others, or pursuing graduation, masters, so whatever you are, you have to fill this. Next important hiring, I have already provided update regarding this, that the Capgemini is hiring for contact support group. Capgemini Acceler hiring, so you can go and apply this. And those who haven't applied it for the upgrade, so go and watch our video. I have uploaded the video related to upgrade hiring. So they are hiring for programmer analyst training, so must apply. And beside that, there are multiple job posting I post in this YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe us, and if you have any query, you can ask us. Okay, and you can join our WhatsApp or Telegram group for getting any latest update related to various company hiring. If you have any query, feel free to ask here. I will provide you the reply as soon as possible. Thank you.